physical quantities and measurements. Introduction. Measurement is highly important for the accurate study of matter. Accurate and precise measurements are very much needed for engineering and scientific purposes too. In previous classes, we have already learnt about physical quantities such as length, mass, time and temperature and their SI units. We have also learnt about the direct measurement of these physical quantities. In this chapter, we will learn about some indirect methods of various physical quantities. Measurement of volume. 3D concept. Volume of an object is the space occupied by it. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter. 1 cubic meter is the volume occupied by a cube whose each side is equal to 1 meter. There are some other small units such as cubic centimeter and cubic decimeter. 1 cubic centimeter is the volume occupied by a cube whose side is equal to 1 centimeter. Submultiples of units of volume. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 cubic decimeter. 1 cubic decimeter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1000 cubic millimeter. 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. Volume of some regular solids. Shape. Formula for volume. 1. Cube. Side into side into side is equal to A cube, where side is equal to A. 2. Cuboid. Length into breadth into thickness. L into B into T. 3. Cylinder. Pi r square h. 4. Sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 5. Cone. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of irregular shaped solids. The bodies which have no regular shape are known as irregular shaped bodies. The volume of such bodies cannot be found by using any mathematical formula. For this, we use measuring cylinders. The method of volume measurement is known as displacement method, discovered by Archimedes. Activity. To find the volume of an irregular shaped solid using a measuring cylinder. Take an irregular shaped solid and immerse it completely in a measuring cylinder filled with water. Note the reading of measuring cylinder before immersing the solid and after immersing the solid. The level of water in the second time rises up. The difference between the two readings of the level of water will give the volume of irregular shaped solid. Measurement of area. Area is the measure of surface occupied by a body. The SI unit of area is square meter. 1 square meter is the area of a square having each side of length 1 meter. Small unit of area is 1 square centimeter. Multiples and submultiples of unit of area. 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter. 1 square centimeter is equal to 100 square millimeter. 1 hour is equal to 100 square meter. 1 hectare is equal to 100 hour is equal to 10,000 square meter. Area of an irregular shape. The area of an irregular shape cannot be determined easily just by using the formula for area of regular shaped objects. The areas of such shapes can be found by using graph paper. We put the object of irregular surface on the graph paper and mark its outline with the help of a sharp pencil. Then we count the number of complete and incomplete squares. The area of incomplete squares is approximated to be the half of area of complete square. The total area of the irregular shape will be equal to the sum of the areas of the complete and incomplete squares. Activity: to find the surface of a leaf. Take a graph paper having area of a small square 1 square millimeters. Place a leaf on the graph paper and draw its outline. Remove the leaf and count the number of complete and incomplete squares. Neglect those squares which are less than half. The total number of squares which gives the surface area of the leaf will be equal to the sum of number of complete and half of the number of incomplete square.